Hello and welcome to BG News, where we bring you the forefront of exploration and innovation. Today's episode takes us to one of the least explored places on Earth, the deep sea. Join us as we dive into the cutting-edge technologies shaping deep sea exploration in 2024. The deep sea, Earth's final frontier, is home to some of the most mysterious and unexplored regions of our planet. Thanks to advances in technology, we're now able to delve deeper into these hidden worlds than ever before. One of the stars of deep-sea exploration is the new generation of submersibles. Equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems, stronger materials, and high-pressure resistance, these vessels can reach depths previously thought unreachable, opening a new window into oceanic wonders. Underwater robotics and drones have revolutionized ocean exploration. These unmanned vehicles can remain submerged for extended periods, collecting data, mapping the seabed, and capturing images of unknown marine life, all while being remotely controlled from the surface. Enhanced deep-sea sensors and imaging technology are also playing a crucial role. They provide unprecedented clarity and detail, revealing the secrets of deep ocean ecosystems, geological formations, and potentially even clues to our planet's history. Deep-sea exploration is not just about technology, it's a gateway to understanding our planet better. Oceanographic research is uncovering new species, helping us understand marine biodiversity, and offering insights into climate change's impact on our oceans. Looking ahead, the future of deep-sea exploration holds immense potential. From discovering new resources to understanding alien-like life forms in extreme environments, the possibilities are as vast as the ocean itself. At BG News, we're passionate about uncovering the unknown, and the deep sea is one of the most exhilarating frontiers. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the latest in ocean exploration technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Until next time, keep exploring.